Making money online for beginners. Welcome in. This is Crystal Lynn, and I'm so happy you came in tonight. I have some information that I think you'll really enjoy, and it's something you need to know. Hi, future legacy builders. Are you ready to turn a 2-hour day into 900 daily income? Stick around. I've got some game changers for you. What is Legacy Builder Program? What is it? The Legacy Builder Program isn't just a course. It is your ticket for financial independence. It is designed for beginners. So no worry. If you are new to this, a daily blue blueprint. Imagine waking up to the morning to your account every day that awaits you for you to see there's more money in it. Let's talk about it. Actually, what Legacy Builders is you can come in and it is learn the daily blueprint, 100% profit, daily pay, path to recovery on income. If you are someone that has been through a divorce, someone that is needing to get out of that 9-to-5 job that you've just gotten just too much for you, there's something that's killing you. You want to get out there. You want something that you can travel and you can enjoy life and still make money. This is something that's not going away, and this is growing by days. Get an access now. You get a step-by-step blueprint that is 100% profit, automatic to earn the daily pay on digital products. These are your digital products. This is what you actually buy. These are the digital projects that you sell. So when you buy them, if you buy the launch pad, it's $100, and you can sell the launch pad for $100. If you buy the passive pay one, it's $300. You can buy, when you buy this one, you get this one. If you want to buy the digital mastery, it is $600. If you buy this one, you get these. You have 3 products to sell. If you buy the Legacy Builder, you get all the extras and you get all 4 platforms to sell. So therefore, you have 4 platforms to sell every time that you do. It also helps you build up a website. That was something that I didn't have any idea how to do. It sets up a website for you and it works for you. It's on a link. It works for you. You put your emails in it and it automatically goes. Biggest thing is its time effectiveness. Busy lifestyles, no problem. Digital marketing allows you to work smarter, not harder. Invest a 2-hour day and watch your income grow. In this program, they teach you how to do a 2-hour day. It don't have to be done all at once. Automate and thrive. Set up automatic systems, create content ahead of time, and let it work for you while you focus on other things. Take action. The power of now. Remember, success loved speed. Don't wait to start today. The Legacy Builder Program is your launch pad. Master resale rights, and guess what? You get 100% resale rights. Share this opportunity with others and earn while you learn. Ready to build a legacy? Click the link below. Legacy Builders, remember, action transforms dreams into realities. Pursue. Don't let this chance slip away. Your $900 income is awaiting you. Y'all have a great day. And if you're interested, I've got some links in my links in the comment area. Y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you later.